All right, so you want to grow more taters. Well, that's a potato without the puh. So what we realized last season was, first and foremost, you can use store-bought taters. You forget about them, boom, they start putting on ice, so on and so forth. So what we didn't know was that not all of those will produce. So we had to learn some curves here. So what we figured out though is if I take a little piece of that eye, put it in the bottom of the cup, put some dirt on top of it, it'll turn into this, and it has roots all the way up to here. Today we're going to go ahead and put it in a 3-gallon pot, and it will produce a good amount of potatoes, and it cuts back the time and space that you're using trying to, figure out if you can actually grow potatoes with it. So we're going to add some of my Happy Frog to the bottom, like so. Perfect. We're going to take our cup, kind of break this apart just a little bit. And so potatoes and tomatoes are the only two that I know that does this, where they actually like as much stem as you have covered in dirt, it'll just keep on putting on roots. That is a big old potato on the bottom of it already. Ooh. So we'll just take it, set it on the bottom, and take our scissors. I'm going to prune these lower branches, just like you would a tomato. Chop them off, like so. And yeah, I just throw them in the bottom. Take this excess dirt that came from the cup. Go ahead and throw that in there. Oh man, I'm having one. We're going to add a pinch of the juice to the dirt, like so. Spread that around. And then we brought the dirt right up to here, so it's not quite all the way to the top. We'll let that hang out. We'll give it a good misting. That there's how you pot a potato. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.